some teas that I got this month. If you want to see all the different flavors and brands of teas that I got, keep watching. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing video by me. Okay, today it is the beginning of the month. That means we have the amazing, the awesome Sips by subscription box. This is for August, the unboxing. If you're not familiar with Sips by, it is a tea subscription box. You get 4 different flavors or brands of tea along with 4 servings of each of those teas. It is $15 a month, but if you use my code right there, you get $5 off your first month, which is $10, of course. So the link will be below in the description. It was at this moment I realized that I once again have fucking lipstick on my tooth. So apparently lipstick just rubs on it and it likes to stay there. So for the rest of this video, enjoy that little extra. If you guys want to try it out. So if you also want to see any other previous months, check out my unboxings playlist and they're all there. Alright, so it is personalized according to my preferences. So what you will see in this box may not be the same thing that you would get. We all get our own preferences and stuff. So how cool is that? Alright, so opening up this, we have September teas. Although to you it looks like Rebet Mess. Yeah, seats. It's backwards, so sorry. All right, so on our little card, it tells you everything that we get, along with how to steep it, the caffeine content, and all of that good stuff. So, right on top, I'm seeing a Rishi tea, Moonlight Jasmine. That is this one right here. This contains 1 sachet. I think, is there 1 in here? Yes. And I got 2 of them, so maybe they're just bigger and that's why I only got 2. I don't know, but I have 2 of these. These are a medium caffeine content, and Moonlight Jasmine is the flavor, Rishi is the brand. So it is a scented green tea. Moonlight Jasmine green tea. All right, the next one we have a couple of loose teas. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and kind of go over those. And then I have one other flavor, of course, to equal the 4. So this one is by Tea Head. It is an oolong tea, raspberry rose. Again, medium caffeine, and you get 4 servings from this one packet. So you can preference if you want the loose tea or the bag tea, but I like a kind of mixture of both. So whenever you get loose teas, you do get the little bags that come with it. So there is those. The second loose tea that I got is by a company called Tea Chic Shemaya. Tea Chic Shemaya, how cool, that's interesting. All right, so this is in the flavor Fruit Punch. That sounds so good. This is what it looks like on the back. It's pretty cool. Let's see what that smells like. I bet this smells so good. I'm doing this because it's in a cute little resealable thing. All right, you definitely smell berries. You smell a lot of berries and the tea smell. You can definitely smell that. So this is a caffeine-free tea, according to my little thing here. You can try it iced or slushy style. How cool. All right, and then I guess all of my little baggies are all in this one for both of the loose teas. And then our last tea that we have, this is another bag tea. This is an Earl Grey black tea by Ahmed Tea London. And this is a high caffeine. I think every one that I've gotten from this brand, they are all high caffeine so far. So, to recap, we have 4 of these, but a black tea in Earl Grey. We have the loose tea, which is the raspberry rose, which sounds really good. And then we have the fruit punch one, again with the loose tea. And then we have the Moonlight Jasmine green tea. And we have 2 medium caffeines and a high caffeine and a caffeine free. So a good little mixture of the caffeine content of all those. So very cool. So I hope you guys like this unboxing. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. This is an awesome box that I get at the beginning of every month. The only, I'd say few, but the only one that actually gets here at the beginning of the month, which is awesome. Very quick shipping and everything. So don't forget to check out the link below to get your own Sips by Tea subscription box. Alrighty, I guess I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.